Hello guys, welcome to our composites. This is Himanshu. Today we are going to look into one of our unique planar modes, which is tube with extensions. As you can see, I have imported this mold, a tube with the external axis. Let's look at the mold definitions tab. As you can see, first I imported the mold, then I exploded its main geometry into this different sub-geometries. Then I aligned it with respect to this base custom axis, which is this E1 axis. Then I attached it to this E1 axis. As you can see, mold connected to the E1 axis. So yeah, let's move ahead with our planning process. Let's go to the laminate definitions tab. Click on add. Change our planar mode to continuous winding tube with extensions. First select the tube area, which is this one. Make sure the normal is on the outer side. Yeah. Then the extension area, which are these two. Make sure you cover all the surface while selecting. Yeah, we're good to go. Now let's define the zero direction. From this left side to the right side. Here we have defined the zero direction. Now let's move ahead to the winding section, where we have to calculate the dimensions. First, the length of the left extension from this center to here. Then the diameter of the middle section. Always go for the outer curve. Yeah. Now the length of the middle section or the tube area. Yeah. Now let's measure the length of the right section. Right and left must be identical. Yeah. Now let's move ahead to the more options. As you can see, our first circuit will start from the left middle section boundary, which is this one. And if I choose from middle right section boundary, it will start from the middle right section boundary. Same goes for the extreme right and extreme left option. Then suppose, as in our previous videos, planar modes videos, we used to run it for 1 circuits. Just for the change, we'll do it in 0 circuits this time, as it will do the full coverage. Winding direction is set to positive. We can even invert and make it negative. Winding mode, we have selected tape placement, roller in contact with the surface, so that this roller would be in contact with the surface during the layup. If you want to give some horizontal and vertical offset, we can choose this mode. And if we want to give some offset to the roller as well as edit some tape length, we can choose this one. This is just for reference, like where are the left extensions, middle section and the right sections. So yeah, let's go to the layer parameters. Define apply in 45 degrees. Close it and plan all. Planning is complete. Yeah, as you can see, it has done the full coverage. Let's go to the simulate section and play the simulation. As you can see, we are tracing the TCP to center point. Just because we have selected the 0 circuits, it's doing the full coverage, as you can see in the simulation. We'll just turn off the trace TCP option. So yeah, this is how tube with extension planar mode is used. Thank you guys. If you guys like the session, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day ahead.